Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from FiTorch. Now this here is their P25GT, comes in this box. Now they sent this to me, they wanted me to test and review this light. Now I did a review a couple years back on their P25, which is an upgraded version to that. So now let's go ahead and start here with the specs. Now as you can see there, it puts out 3,000 lumens on the highest output. That's impressive. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause the screen. Otherwise, let's get this open, see what's in it. Here's the holster. It's okay. That's very thin material here to hold it. And of course it's on the small side, so it's not super heavy. But no quick release on there. Got the USB charging cable. Get one O-ring, one lanyard, now it is kind of on the stiff side, so it's almost molded. It is lined on the inside though. Might be okay to use it to carry casually. User manual here. Front and back. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the light. There it is. Now the previous model had the silver button, now it has a blue button. Really a compact design. Hide it in the palm of your hand. Definitely great for everyday carry. You can table stand that if you need to. Here's the charging port here. Now the style and design on this is very nice. Really like these small little beefy lights. Put out a lot of lumens. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look at the special optics here. And behind that are 4 Cree XP-G3 LEDs. Now the machining and finish on this is very nice. Has a semi-gloss shine to it. Alright, so now let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you the insides. Start off with tail spring. Well greased threads. Want to remove the protection piece. spring down inside there on the head, so you can use multi-types of batteries that are just like this one here is a 26350. Now this is a 2000 milliamp. This is a 15 amp cell. This is unprotected. Alright, so now let's go ahead and put it back together. Let's go over the UI. Alright, so now right offhand, if you want to check the battery level, 1, 2, 3, kind of see it there. Now as you can see, that's 4.1, so it's 4 blinks followed by 1 red. So we'll do it again. 1, 2, 3. 4.1 volts on the battery right out of the box, so that's good. Alright, so now let's go through the UI. UI is pretty straightforward. From off, you can press and hold to get the lowest light output that this can do. That is very low light output. Extreme runtime on that level as well. Turn it off, that's a hidden level. Turn it on by simply clicking the light. Now you're going to press and hold to go through those light outputs. And you notice how the highest output kind of slowly comes on. That helps with all the electronics and the battery. And then you can hold it down to go through those light outputs. And we'll go up to the second one here. You can see, we'll go up in one more. See the beam type that it has. It's got a centralized hotspot there. It just tapers off on the spill, which is typical on this type of optics. It's going to be more on the floody side. Now from off, you can double click to get strobe. And that is a constant rate on the flash, and it is distracting. Double click again will get you SOS. And it is pretty fast. Double click again, we'll go back to strobe. Click it one time, we'll shut it off. And you're right back where you started with the UI. Now this light does have memory mode, so turn it on, go to this level, and then shut it off, turn it back on. Same goes for the next light output. And that's all there is to this light. Remember, lock out the light. Turn that, can't turn it on. Once you do, again, show you the light is on. Simply half turning that will turn it off. Alright, now FiTorch has been around for a while. I've done their lights, many of them in the past, and they're very nice quality, very rugged and well built. So let's wait no further. Let's take this bad boy out, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here at the darkness, the new camera here. Let's see how this does. We've got the FiTorch P25GT. Let's go get started on the lowest setting here. It is on. And you can't see my feet there. So it's good for up close. Let's go to the next level here. See how it does. Now it is making that water spout now. That's 35 feet from where I'm standing. Look at it here on the fence. I'll give you an idea. Now this is going to be real floody, so look at the length here, get an idea. Let's go to the next level, see how it does. There's the next level, come alive. Now this type of beam doesn't have a huge amount of throw, but the beam is real wide. I'm just playing around with the settings. On this camera has a ton more than my old camera that I was using, which was camcorder. This is looks great here. Hopefully it looks good on video when I get it home. Let's go ahead and do the next level. Nice even spacing on the light output. You can see there, it is making a tree of life. Alright, let's go to the next level. See how it does. Wow. Look at how wide this beam is. Before and after here. It is freezing cold out here. Hopefully I'll get the best run times on this thing. Beam profile here behind my hand. Up and over. Very nice, large, wide beam. And we'll go back down and back up. Just checking out the camera, see how it picks up each level here. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Floody, little compact monster. Impressive. Even the previous model. This one here has a little bit different looks. The other one had the chrome button and a chrome bezel on there. A little bit different. Definitely is a brighter light than the previous model as well. So it's nice to see that they are improving on this design. I'm going to go ahead and show it to you in the holster. What that looks like there. Good enough to hold it for a casual carry. But if it's everyday carry, you're using this holster, it's okay. Definitely good enough to store the light in it, in my opinion. But as far as the ease of use and the power behind this is pretty amazing, especially for this size. Now of course that's momentary, Definitely want to conserve your battery unless you have some other 26350s on hand. Definitely want to conserve it, use the lower light output. Still a ton of light comes out of here on those other levels, and did really well. Shows a huge area at once, and it's great for indoors as well. Alright, well, I want to thank FiTorch for sending me this P25GT. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, remember, this is a complete kit. Comes with everything you need in this little box. Get started outside the box. I will leave a link down in the description. That way you can get this. Also working on a special discount code. Once I get that, I will post that there as well. That'll help save some money on this, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these little FiTorch flashlights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.